What is going on, everybody? It is Tanto Tuesday. This week is another pouch carry. This week's pouch is the Alpaka hub pouch with the loop section in front of it. And we have a pretty good EDC packed in here, so let's take a look and see what we got this week. So this was my second time around buying the hub pouch, because the first hub pouch I bought, they didn't offer the loop section, so then I turned around and bought this one again so that I had the loop section. So when I do the comparison of all the pouches in their performance and everything else, that it doesn't get it downgraded in points because it doesn't have the loop section, which I think for an EDC pouch is very important, because everybody loves to put their patches on their pouches. So I bought this one again just to have it on the same page. So this week we have Prybar is the GiantMouse Prybar. Most of this gear you've probably already seen if you've been following Tanto Tuesday. We have the 3T EOS Olight. So problem that we're having with these pouches is they're so small, it's really hard to pack everything I want to pack. Got the Leatherman Charge, which I love to be able to carry in my pouch, because the pouch is really my backup to my regular EDC. So, and the Leatherman Charge is very, very good for that, to be able to have the necessary extras to carry. So close that back up without cutting myself. In the pen this week is the Big Idea Design EDC Pro, and the knife is the ProTech Auto, the mini one, because obviously it fits great in this pouch. This is a great little knife. I don't typically get into little knives, but this thing is just super cool. It is 154 cm. It is a stampy little thing. ProTech really does a great job with automatics, and these little ones are no exception. They just fire super hard for such a little knife. I mean, I think this thing flew out of my hand in the living room when I first got it, and I flipped it, and I wasn't expecting it to be such a hard little flipper. Great little Tanto blade, super sharp. Haven't used it a whole lot, again, because I don't get into small knives that much. But let me tell you, this thing has some great spring tension. It is a total chisel ground Tanto too, so it gives you very, very fine edge to. You've got that single edge, which it's just razor sharp. You won't notice it in some ways until you get to a certain point, and then let me tell you, that sucker is like a razor blade. So for a little knife, let me tell you, it's a cutter for sure. So it's very Emerson-like, with having the chisel ground on the show side, just like Emerson knives is always done, and that's kind of where ProTech kind of did it. Obviously the bigger version is the same thing. It is basically a copy of the Emerson, except for it's an automatic. But this is a great little knife if you're looking for it, and legal in most places. I won't say all, because there's a lot of places that are very much still against automatics, no matter what. So, but this is a great little knife, let me tell you. So that is what we're packing, and let's cram this stuff back in here. And let me tell you, some of these, I'm really kind of appreciating a little bit bigger pouches, because these little pouches, it's just such a challenge to fit too much of anything, especially if you're getting into anything remotely big. I mean, it can be just a challenge. I mean, you're sandwiching so much in there, and you just gotta kind of get it all in the right spot. and get it crammed in there. Okay guys, that is the pouch carry of this week. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys are carrying, and we will see you next Tanto Tuesday next week. Have a great day.